Alright, back. So I got the two bolts out of the starter, so it should be just sitting there. I had to use my long socket there to get in there. Need the ball end mill on the top one. I got the jack shaft out, it's laying over here. So now all I gotta do is just pull out these lock tabs, pull out these bolts, and this thing should be out. I got another one over here too I gotta deal with. Which means I need to go back and get my wrench. Wherever it is. There it is. With a wrench. So you just take a little punch, chisel. The lock tab's free. You don't have to bend them all the way back over, just enough to get a socket in there. If you don't bend them too far, you can reuse them a couple times. So those didn't look like even done. I don't think those even been popped. The top one is not, the bottom one is. Go. Big long ones. That was the easy part. Okay, these front bolts are shorter than the back bolts. No, actually they're mixed. Yep. So we got two different length bolts here. Yeah, they're all mixed up. We got short ones and long ones. That means I got to figure it out, because that's not supposed to be all different lengths, I don't think. Okay, this thing should pop off. Of course they want to. All right. Bearing's a little notchy. Not super bad, but not too good either. And that's tight. That turns nice and free, that's good. No obvious bend in the shaft. Looks good. Pull off our adapter. Okay. Always like looking here just when you're in here. Make sure the magnets are all tight. Make sure these bolts are tight. Make sure nothing's loose. Nothing's been ground on. This all looks pretty good. So whenever you're in here, just check it out, because a lot of times you find problems. Okay, it's all back together. Okay, I can find me a 1-inch offset inner primary. Where we can find one of those at? Sure, those are just everywhere laying around, right? So let's go over here and see what we got over here. Should be one up here on the shelf. Even got lights in the place. See right up there. It says 1-inch offset inner primary. That's what we need, 1-inch offset. I'm gonna dig that big box down up there. That oughtn't be too hard to get to. All right, we'll be back. Okay, so the new chrome ones were not correct. So that's a brand new Harley primary cover. It says takeoff on it. Well, it's definitely a takeoff, a brand new cover, because it looks brand spanking new on the inside. It's slobber all over everything. I'm not sure why this is a takeoff. There's a bearing in it. Does that make it used? Because there ain't a mark on it. You have a mark on the damn thing. Yeah. Alright, we're going to see if this is going to work or not. It's a 94 to 99 cover. It might fit a soft tail too. I don't know, early 2000 twin cam maybe, I'm not sure. Either way, it'll be a test. Let's see, I think that goes like that. Now, if we're lucky, it won't fit. If it fits, we're not very lucky. Oh, this doesn't work either because it's got the, it doesn't have a ball bearing here, it's got a roller bearing. But I should be able to see the difference in length. Well, it's still going to bolt the tranny, so it doesn't matter. Should be dowel pins in there. Yeah, it's doweled in anyway, so it makes no difference. Looks to me like it goes back in the same hole. Doesn't want to thread in, that's a good sign. If we mock it up, does that make it used now? We'll have one mark on it.
Mm-hmm.
Your 1/2-inch ratchet. This here. Alright, see if this bolt will go in. It's not going in. It might go now though. Oh, those threads suck. Alright, it went in the same spot, so that's not a good sign. That means the belt drive sucks. It didn't feel like there was much play in the dowel, so right now we got 2 bolts here in the front, so that means it's in. It's around the lips here. It's on the dowel pins here in the back. It's just a matter how accurate this bearing look in the center. It looks pretty even to me. So if there's more than 10 or 15 thou difference in length here, I'd be shocked. So I don't think that's enough to make the belt tight. It might be, but we don't know. But either way, I don't have the right bearings and stuff in my cover, and this doesn't look like it's going to fix what I need to fix. So, I don't know. Not looking good. And being a new Harley primary cover ain't going to be cheap, so I don't think I want to do a expensive ass test here. So, I think we're on hold on this project for a while until I figure out what else I'm going to do. Only thing else I can do is slot these holes out and shove the tranny back. But you can't do that because that's there. You have to, you gotta slot that cover out. You have alternator lips here. You have to slot your bolt holes here and not have a lip on this so you can move it back. That doesn't make sense. That's what the BDL guy told me, slot it out and shove it back, but I don't see how you're gonna shove it back. Everything's basically, it's all dialed in, you can't move it. So, I don't know. Well, I'll think about this for a while, see what I come up with. That's it for now, though. For now, we're striking out.